everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving in the world of kanji, the fascinating and sometimes intimidating character used in Japanese writing. While mastering kanji takes dedication and practice, many learners fall into avoidable traps and that slow their progress. Let's explore some common mistakes and effective strategies to avoid those mistakes and help you to conquer kanji with confidence. What's kanji? Before going into detail, for each part, let me introduce about kanji a bit. Kanji is one of the writing systems in Japanese besides hiragana and katakana. It is a critical aspect of a learning Japanese, which consists of thousands of tiny symbols and represent entire words, ideas, and phrases. Knowing very basic kanji will enable you to understand, speak, and writing simple Japanese. Mistake 1. Keeping the fundamentals. Before jumping into kanji, ensure you have a solid foundation in hiragana and katakana. That's two Japanese phonetic script. These are crucial stepping stones to understanding kanji pronunciations and reading. While hiragana is used mainly for grammatical purpose and katakana represent the same sound as hiragana. It's mainly to represent the foreign words. Don't worry, it's going to be easy to memorize. If you put hiragana and katakana chart on your wall and you see and writing characters down again and again, make flashcards, do quizzes by yourself daily. Mistake 2. Fear and overwhelm of the kanji numbers. There are thousands of kanji, but don't let the sheer's number intimidate you. Start small, focusing on a manageable numbers of characters at the time. Celebrate your progress. And remember, consistency is the key. Mistake 3. Rote memorization. Simply rote memorizing kanji characters and reading without putting them into practice is like building a house on a sand. Let us know how many kanji you need to memorize. Total around 2000 kanjis, and according to level, in N5 level 150, N4 around 300, and N3 around 650, and N2 around 1000 or more than that. Effective strategies of learning kanji. You see, the higher level is the more kanji you have to memorize. Now let's explore some strategies to boost your kanji journey. Learning kanji radicals. Many kanji are constructed from smaller components called radicals. Understanding these radicals help you to break down kanji, making them easier to learn and remember. For example, yasu, rest, and kyushi, pause. Both kanji share the same radicals, tomeru, to stop, and have a similar meaning related to taking a break. Associating kanji with meanings. Try to connect kanji to their meanings, visual or through stories. You can create memory aids like stories. For example, the kanji of forest, ki, resemble a tree. Flashcard. Utilize flashcard with kanji character on one side and their meanings, reading or example sentences on the other. Spaced repetitions app can be helpful for effective review. Speed repetition is a scientific learning method that create appropriate intervals between reviewing sessions to ensure that new vocabulary and kanji stick in a long-term memory effectively. I have found an app that combines these two features that I am excited to share with you today. It's called MochiKanji, an applications learning kanji and vocabulary. MochiKanji, the sponsor of today's discussions, has made learning Japanese a breeze. This app isn't just another textbook. It's like having fun, personalized Japanese tutor in your pocket. You can use MochiKanji application that make learning Japanese joyful and effective. The golden time. What set MochiKanji apart, it is a unique concept called the golden time. Based on your learning history and speed repetitions technique, the app knows when your brain is about to forget something and send you a reminder to review it at the optimal time. No need to set alarm. Just wait for the mochi notification and reinforce your knowledge effortlessly. Therefore, with Mochi Kanji, you can learn and memorize many kanji and words effectively. This is the course list where you can find various courses for several individual needs. It consists of 11 decks. So the most important part of this is that it has N5 to N2 kanjis and vocabularies. Vocab for nursing industry, Minnan Nihongo N5 and N4, conversation basic Japanese, IT vocabs, and service industry vocabulary. Each course consists of several topics and each topic is divided into a small lessons. Let's try to check of these features.
私、
When you experience a lesson on the MochiKanji app, you will learn each word with flashcards, audio, word, meaning, and examples.
あの人、
Moreover, quizzes of each word are interactive and interesting.
あの人、教師、
This way help you to remember kanji more easily.
教師、学生、
Since it's time to review MochiKanji, it provides you with a review lesson with more quizzes including reading, writing and listening to make sure you can truly revise words. There is a special thing in this app I have never seen in other apps. There is a 5 level of memorization from level 1 to level 5. Level 1, the word you just learned, to level 5, the word you are in a long-term memory. You can check the digital notebook to see clearly the level of each word. Here, MochiKanji provides daily conversations from basic level speaking, so you can be more confident in the terms of Japanese communication. With the help of this, you can learn how to write a kanji with correct stroke order through practice exercise from kanji N5 to N4. Search tab J Dictionary. If you have faced some words you don't know, you can look up them in a MochiKanji by typing kana, romaji or kanji. Each search has meaning, word, type, example sentences and audio. You can save these words from review later. Mochi Garden. To add a fun element to your learning routine, MochiKanji introduced Mochi Garden. You can plant virtual tree to maintain your learning motivation every day. Or you can join Mochi events and get special gifts. So download now. Link in my description box, or you can open Google Play or App Store and search MochiKanji, download it. Also, you can experience the web versions like me. Writing practice. Actively writing kanji helps improve memorization and strengthen the connections between your visual and motor memory. If you have a little time, you just need to spend about 15 minutes to practice the kanji during the day. Immerse yourself in reading material that use kanji you are learning. This will help you solidify their meanings and usage in real-world context. These are many ways to use kanji in the right context, such as reading Japanese newspaper, listening daily conversation on YouTube, and so on. Don't forget, everyone start somewhere. Keep practicing. Learning language is like an adventure. So enjoy the journey and don't be afraid to make mistakes. With little efforts, you will be mastering kanji in no time. So are you ready to tackle kanji? Let me know in the comments what's your biggest kanji challenge are. And for more awesome learning Japanese tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ganbatte minasan! Bye bye!